Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great in your lives. So today I've made this video to talk a little bit on the recent realization which I had, and I felt that it is important for me to share it with all of you all. So this video is all about being a light worker or being the light. Whenever we say that I am the light or you're the light and we are the light, what do we exactly mean by it, and how does it how is it seen materialistically or physically when we really say that I am the light or you're the light? uh, this video is all about the realization or the kind of unfolding that I had about this question. So recently, there was an incident that I came across. Um, there is a woman I know, and I had made chocolates for her, and I had given it to her, and she was supposed to gift it to someone else. And since a couple of years, she and her entire family was through a huge financial crisis, and they had a past where they were extremely well off and had abundance in their life. So after a certain period of time, when you start showing up that you don't have enough money, or you're not well off the way you were, so certain people who are not meant to be yours start showing up, and they start neglecting you, and do not consider you worthy enough for being invited for a function, or consider you to be a liability to places and things like that. I mean, this was what she was experiencing and her family was experiencing over the period of years. So after she went and she delivered, or she gifted the chocolate which I had made and given it to her, to the person she had to give it to, the entire family was extremely happy, and the person, the little child to whom she had gifted it, was very happy to look at it and everything. And after all of that incidents took place, she gave a call to my mother saying that thank you for the chocolates and everything. And then after a while, she again gave a call in which she said that this meant a lot to me, because at least after me gifting this chocolates to that child, the family considered me enough, or rather took me into consideration. What I experienced at that moment was extremely overwhelming, that it was just the chocolates that I had made, and it meant so much for her. It was a question of worth for that woman and for her entire family, if we really think of it in that sense. So I was extremely humbled when I heard it, and I was overwhelmed by all of this. But the realization which I had after this incident was that you not necessarily need to do some kind of work to spread goodness or to spread the light on the planet. It is so much about you being you, and delivering what you have to deliver at that point in time. You are not supposed to, not it is not necessary for you to move from your spot, or to do something which is out of your way, and do something for that individual, or do something for someone, for the society per se. It is about you being you and doing what you're meant to do at that point in time. So me not moving from my spot and me being me could give whatever I had to give, and she being at her spot and not moving from her spot and being her could give me whatever she had to give me. So the exchange had to happen, and just because I was being me and she was being her, the giving and receiving could happen very easily. And I feel this is what it is when we talk about anchoring the light and being the light for the entire planet. And this is what it is to be the light worker. We just need to be us, and when we say that I am the universe, I am the light, so if I am being me, only then can I be the light, or I can be the universe, right? So it's time, I guess, that we all be us and be the light and keep shining bright by being us. And I feel it's not really difficult. So let us choose to be the light. Thank you.